In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a polished scheduling link that lets people book time with you without the usual back and forth. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. In the top right corner, click Log In. Enter your email address, hit continue, then type your password, and continue again to sign in. If you've connected your work or personal calendars before, Calendly will use them to prevent double booking, which is a huge time saver. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where your event types live. To create a new booking link, click Create. Choose the one-on-one event type, which is perfect for individual meetings like interviews, sales calls, or check-ins. Give your event a clear descriptive name so invitees know what to expect. You can keep it simple, like 30-minute intro call, and use the description area to set expectations, such as the agenda or what attendees should prepare. Next, choose the duration, pick a time that matches your goals for the meeting. If you're unsure, 15 or 30 minutes is a great starting point, and you can always create longer options later. Now, select the location. You can choose Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. If you've already connected Zoom or Google, Calendly will automatically add the meeting link to calendar invites. For phone calls, clarify whether you'll call the attendee or they should call you, and include any relevant details. Set your availability window for this event. This is where Calendly really shines. Select the days and times you want to offer, adjust your time zone if needed, and consider adding buffers before and after meetings to protect your focus time. You can also limit the number of meetings per day to avoid fatigue. If your calendar is connected, Calendly will only show times when you're free. Confirm who's hosting. If it's just you, leave your profile selected. In team accounts, you might see additional hosts, but for a solo setup, you're all set. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly will generate a unique scheduling page for this event. Copy the link and share it wherever you communicate, email signatures, chat, your website, or social profiles. Anyone with the link can pick a time that fits your rules, and both of you will get confirmations and calendar invites. And that's it. You've gone from login to a shareable booking link in minutes. Revisit the event anytime to fine-tune details like the title, duration, location, or availability without changing the link.